Hi guys, we have just reached the start of Mahuli. That's the gate over there. You have to pay some 20 rupees per person to enter. So we got down at Asangoan at around 8:30 and then took a 20-minute rickshaw ride to the base of Mahuli. So we had a breakfast there and now we are going to start the trek. So I know it should take roughly 2 to 3 hours to reach the top. So yeah, let's see. It's around 1.5 hours since we left the base. So currently we are here. It's a beautiful view that you can see in the background there. We have to walk along this ridge here, and go towards the top. So I think so another 35-40 minutes we should be on top of Mahuli. So yeah, let's see. It's around 12 o'clock and we have reached the top. So it took us half an hour to reach from somewhere that point there down. So now we will be exploring this place more, and the actual fort is down, so we'll have to descend for another 5 minutes. So now we'll wait here and then maybe have some snacks and then descend. Guys, we just visited Mahuli. Some caves are there down. So now we are moving towards Bandargarh. So there is a lake here and a Shiv temple. So we will visit that before we start our descent. Hi guys, it's around 3:30 just another couple of minutes, then we will reach the base. So it took us around 1.5 hours to reach here. It was a fairly good trek. The weather was quite supporting today, so you also can do this during the maybe monsoons would be better. The summers and the winters are quite tough here because I have been here quite like for 2 times before, and both the times it was quite demanding, but today it was not that much. So yeah, it could be done in the monsoon. It's the best season I feel to come here. So hope you like the vlog. Do like, subscribe and comment. Bye.